people! We're going to LA today. Magpapadual citizenship kasi ako today dahil uwi kami ng Pinas. So, yeah, let's go to LA!
Turn left onto South Alexandria Avenue.
Saan yung parking?
Hindi safe dito mag-park sa labas. So, andito na kami sa LA. Naghahanap lang ng parking. Medyo weird kasi yung parking spot dito. Tapatan. And, magpapadual citizenship muna ako and then papasyal tayo later. Nasaan na kaya sila? Nawala na sila. Hanapin muna natin sila. We're done! I'm officially a Filipino citizen again. Let's eat KBBQ.
The payment, 2 hours.
$4.
Huh?
Are you hungry na, Chloe?
Ano yung license plate?
Yes. So, nakahanap kami ng
971,
Korean
okay.
barbecue spot dito sa may malapit sa Philippine Consul.
Select color.
I'm excited to eat. Finally, makaka-park na. We can eat na. Pwede pala tayong mamili. Madaming option. Hindi lang yung Korean barbecue. Eat? You're not excited? I'm gonna buy you pa naman something.
Miss Mommy, I wanted to buy chocolate because
Okay, I'll give you. I
eat
have a nut here. Oh.
But I wanted
Here.
to buy chocolate.
Oh, hold it. That's yours. Barbecue. Should we eat there? Another Korean barbecue. Ramen. Where should we eat? Korean chicken. Try natin itong spicy rice cakes. At saka yung chicken nila.
Sorry.
Okay, utot ah.
This one.
Follow us on Instagram.
Wanna try it?
Chicken. Tikman natin yung appetizer. Appetizer.
You wanna try it, Chloe?
Try this, Chloe. What?
It's like really good.
Oh, spicy noodles. Okay, let's eat na. But wala pang chicken eh. But it's good. Let's try it. Chicken. Okay.
Amoy pan. Init.
It's good but it's super init.
Oh, papaya.
I'm gonna drink water.
We're done eating na. Kami kumain.
Reverse here.
Nakakabusog pero slightly nakakaumay. Ikaw, B, nasarapan ka? Sarap na. But the view, it's giving California. Ayun yung Hollywood sign, oh. There you go, right there. Kikita sa Ano ba yan? Matulog? Are you sleeping? So we are supposed to go to Universal City Walk para check lang yung place, but sobrang mahal pala ng parking fee nila dito. So $40. And then we decided na bumalik na lang dito. Siguro by this time na na-upload ko tong video na to, nakabalik na kami sa Universal Studios because we are celebrating my husband's birthday dito sa Universal Studios Hollywood. Magsistay kami dito for 2 days because hindi pa kami nakapunta dito sa Hollywood na Universal Studios. Ang napuntahan ko pa lang is yung sa Japan and Singapore. So, I'm very excited and i-upload ko din yan soon. I just wanna share lang din yung experience ko sa Philippine Consulate sa LA with regards my dual citizenship. It was actually a breeze. I just booked an appointment online and then we went there sa date na binigay nila sa akin. And then pinrocess nila yung papers and then nanumpa kami and all in less than 2 hours. So yeah, it was a smooth experience.
Doesn't fold it inside.
Show me your face muna. Ay, ganda!
Fold it
What
inside.
is that?
So it doesn't make a mess somewhere. Just like that. Keep folding it like that.
Ew!
Pretty, oh. Chocolatey.
Good morning, people! Happy Sunday! And punta na naman tayo ulit sa labas today. I think we're going sa downtown para mag-breakfast. I'm not sure kung downtown talaga kami pupunta or baka maiba pa, pero mag-breakfast tayo today sa labas. So, yeah, let's go! Anyway, before kami umalis, tignan niyo yung aquarium namin, yung tank. Nagiging malabo siya. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ba yun sa food or what. Ano bang solusyon dyan? Yan siya, malabo. Kanina pa sabi gutom na ako. Hey, I'm eating.
Look at my sandwich. Yummy. I want hot chocolate, Mom.
It's not hot. No, it's not. It's just warm.
It makes my body warm.